Have you ever wondered how different species survive together in the wild? It's not always a competition. In nature, there's a complex web of relationships called symbiosis, where organisms live together, and the results can be fascinating, beneficial, or even a little bit scary. Let's dive into the three main types. First up is mutualism, a true win-win situation. Picture a honeybee buzzing from flower to flower. It's not just a pretty sight. It's a vital partnership. The bee gets a sweet, energy-rich meal of nectar, which it needs to survive. In return, as it moves, it carries pollen from one flower to another. This is pollination, the process that allows the plant to reproduce. Without the bee, the flower can't create seeds. Without the flower, the bee goes hungry. They both benefit directly from this interaction. It's a perfect example of teamwork in the natural world. Next, we have commensalism. This is more of a one-sided deal, but nobody gets hurt. Imagine a massive shark gliding through the ocean. Look closer, and you might see a smaller fish, the remora, attached to its side. The remora isn't harming the shark at all. Instead, it gets a free ride through the ocean, saving precious energy. It also gets protection from predators who wouldn't dare mess with a shark, and it snacks on the leftover scraps from the shark's meals. The shark, on the other hand, barely even notices the remora is there. It gets nothing from the relationship, but it doesn't lose anything either. The remora benefits, and the shark is indifferent. That's commensalism. Finally, we arrive at the most famous and often unsettling type, parasitism. This is a one-sided relationship where one organism, the parasite, benefits at the expense of the other, the host. Think of a deer peacefully grazing in a forest. If you look very closely at its skin, you might find a tiny tick. The tick latches on and feeds on the deer's blood. This meal is essential for the tick's survival and reproduction. For the deer, however, this is bad news. It loses blood, can experience irritation, and worse, the tick can transmit diseases. In this relationship, the tick wins and the deer loses. It's a harsh reality, but a crucial part of the ecological balance. So, from helpful bees to hitchhiking fish and blood-sucking ticks, symbiosis shows us the incredibly diverse and sometimes brutal ways that life is interconnected. Nature is full of these amazing stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the natural world. See you next time.